line, man, didn't he? Composed, didn't he?
In the first minute, number 8, Craig Norman.
Get in the box, someone.
Well played.
Tricky then, wouldn't he?
Ladies and gentlemen, today's full-time score. Abergavenny Town 1, Sully Sports 0.
Boys have been fantastic all year. Up there again today, fantastic performance. The league, we're trying to do our best. It's the first season in Welsh League. Boys got a lot of experience in Welsh League, but they've certainly held their own. They're fantastic. Again, fantastic. The support in Abergavenny, they're like a family. They're fantastic people. They're there week in, week out. Cold weather, whatever, they're there.
It's my 4th game for the club. Brilliant bunch of boys. You know, the effort they give out every week is brilliant. Made it hard for ourselves today. Sully was a good team, you know, but we went on and won 1-0 now. So professional, and it's a massive achievement.
Yeah,
massive achievement.